What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. If it's not, welcome back, guys. Yesterday you've seen that I picked up some wheels for Betty White, so we're going to get those installed. We got the block for the 2013 STI in, so we're going to start building on that, and I can't wait to check out the wheels on Betty. So let's get to it.
Give them God, give them lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake.
Here's the new wheels. Look pretty good. Heck, let me sprinkle some B-roll in here.
Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face? New decisions, it's a sham. Keys of Cali, killer cam. Show me visions, show me fam. Ain't nobody left, who gon' hold it down? And that's how we do on the mainland. Counting all them problems, got me feeling like I'm Rain Man. Cover up with Gucci, Balenciaga, and some face tags. Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do.
Guys, and also I heard back from Duncan, they are going to let us do some reviews on their JDM cars. So if you have a few cars that you would like to see in person, drop a comment below. Or not in person, but us do a review on, and drop a comment below, and maybe me and Adrian will go check them out.
Comment Mini Cooper. I want to see Tommy Mini Cooper.
Yes, do it. So if y'all want to see me getting the Mini Cooper and look like a Rat Fink meme, comment below. But guys, we will be going up there soon, and we're going to knock out some reviews on some of the JDM vehicles they have. So go up there and check them out. I'll drop their information below, and go from there. So we're going to get back to work.
Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. 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 That's just how I tried. Took a ride, lost a life, lost a bride. Set a goal, set aside how I feel, horrified. I'm a fool, I'm a saint. Put up two in the paint. If you knew what I changed, broke the rules in the range. Yeah. Repetition, new attire, new edition. Suicide, nothing's over till I die. How I run the game, I can't run a mile. And that's how we do on the mainland. Counting all them problems, got me feeling like I'm Rain Man. Cover up with Gucci, Balenciaga, and some face tags. Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. 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 That's just how I do.
Alright guys, this is where we got this. Almost back complete. We're waiting on a few parts. And then update on this. We actually got a few parts in. We got the evaporator or expansion valve in, new radiator. So this will be coming together soon and getting ready to fire and put the whites in it. Get it back on the road. Adrian's working on it right now. It's like a deer in headlights.
Yeah.
Yo, Adrian. And if any of y'all guys are interested in these parts, let me know. Got a FA exhaust, a 15 plus WRX. The Tomei's already spoken for, and these wheels are not spoken for yet. Wet Sports 9.5, 5 on 100 or 5 on 114. So, and then I think I got some Mishimoto dual catch cans and a cob axle port for 2015 plus STI or WRX. Drop a comment. It's about buttoned up. Just need some Israel. We're gonna have it running tomorrow.
Yep, barring any issues.
Right. Alright guys. We should have it running soon. Gotta get the fender on too. Alright guys, that was the new wheels on Betty White. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. And if y'all are interested in any of the parts, hit me up on Instagram or Facebook and I'll give you a price on them. And then we got a little work to do on another GT-R coming up in next video or two. Like I said guys, the Forester is really close to getting back on the road. That was just a quick update on Betty White's new shoes, aka wheels. I think we're going to take some of the gold stuff off of it, and that way it don't stick out like a sore thumb with the titanium color blue wheels, and get it a little bit more cleaned up. But let me know what you think in the comments about the new wheels, and we got future plans for it. And like I said, if y'all guys need any of the parts, drop a comment below. I'll shoot you offers on them or prices, and we'll go from there. Hit that like button if you liked the video, hit that subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace. Watch this. Adrian, take us out.
Not my job.
All right, guys. Later.
Give them God, give them lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake. Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face? New decisions, it's a shame. Keys are Khaled, killer cam. Show me visions, show me fam. Ain't nobody left, who gon' hold it down? That's how we do on the mainland. Counting all them problems got me feeling like I'm Rain Man. Cover up with Gucci, Balenciaga, and some face tags. Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Took a ride, lost a life, lost a bride. Set a goal, set aside how I feel, horrified. I'm a fool, I'm a saint. Put up 2 in the paint. If you knew what I changed, broke the rules in the range. Yeah. Repetition, new attire, new edition, suicide.